In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a flipbook in Canva for beginners. We all love flipping through a good book, and this digital version will give you a similar experience right on your device. Whether you're creating a storybook, a portfolio, or just a fun project, making a flipbook in Canva is not only easy but also a creatively rewarding experience. First things first, you'll need to get started by opening your web browser and heading over to Canva's website. If you haven't already, sign up for a free account, or log in if you already have one. This will take you to the Canva dashboard, where all the magic happens. Once you're in, click on the Create a Design button located on the top right corner of your screen. Instead of choosing a preset template, type A4 document in the search bar as it's a perfect size for your digital flipbook. Now that you have your blank document, it's time to let your creativity flow. The toolbar on the left side is your gateway to adding pictures, text, and more. Click on Elements to search through Canva's library of graphics and shapes, or upload your own images by clicking on Uploads. Go ahead and drag your chosen elements onto your canvas, resizing and positioning them as you like. At this point, it's crucial to think about the narrative or the flow of your flipbook. Consider what story or message you want to convey and organize your pages accordingly. The good thing is, Canva provides multiple pages in one design, so let's use that to layer up your flipbook. To add a new page, simply click on the Add Page button beneath your current page. This way, you can build out your flipbook frame by frame, making sure each transition is as seamless as flipping a real page. Once you're satisfied with your artwork and layout, it's time to download your flipbook. Click on the Share button located at the top right and select Download. For a standard flipbook, you want to select PDF Standard from the drop-down menu. If you've added any animations, remember to choose a file type that supports it, like an MP4 or GIF. Now, let's bring your flipbook to life. Use an online flipbook maker to convert your PDF into an interactive experience. To do this, simply upload your PDF to any free flipbook converter you prefer. Once converted, your digital flipbook is ready to share or embed, offering a dynamic and engaging way to showcase your creativity. Congratulations on making your very first flipbook in Canva. It's a simple yet effective way to convey stories, share projects, or even just have some fun with visual design. Feel free to experiment with different elements and styles, and remember, the possibilities are as endless as your imagination. Until next time, keep creating and exploring new ways to express your ideas digitally.